Between a gazillion Zoom calls, keeping up with your kids' homeschooling schedule, and trying not to burn that dal, you probably only have a few minutes to yourself every day. Take just 5 of those minutes and try a 5-minute facial. This is self-care for your body and your mind. In this edition of 5-minute facials, we are going to be testing out DIY ideas shared by some of our most famous celebrities. And we also have a doctor on board who's going to tell us the truth about these homemade masks. This time around, we are going to give Malaika Arora's face mask a go, which is supposedly meant for acne-prone skin. Honey, a little bit of cinnamon powder, a few drops of lemon. To me, these ingredients sound like they would come together to make a delicious sauce to go with cheat day pancakes, or what I like to call everyday breakfast. Before I do anything risky, I'm just going to quickly call my dermatologist and make sure that all these ingredients are safe to put on the face. Hi doc! I just was putting together this home remedy and I was wondering if it was safe to put lemon and cinnamon on my face.
When you are doing a DIY with actives like cinnamon and lime, you need to be really careful. Cinnamon has been made popular due to its antimicrobial properties. Yes, it is very good when you take it in warm water daily, but if you apply it on the face, it can cause something as a burning face or a red face syndrome. Lime and lemon juice has been quite a favorite with anyone and everyone who wants to remove those dark pigmented spots on the face. But while you are using that along with cinnamon powder, which can lead to redness and red bumps on your face, if still you want to try something which is aggressive and different, do a small patch test maybe down below on your neck to see if it suits your face.
Thank you, I'll talk to you soon. Fortunately, I don't have sensitive skin. I'm going to tweak this face mask recipe a little. Instead of putting the 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder in honey, I'm going to use half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, just 1 drop of lemon, and let's see what happens. Mix, 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 mix. Look at it. Just look at it. Okay, I wasn't wrong. This tastes divine. This tastes so good. Oh my god, I want pancakes. I'm going to use this brush because I am feeling fancy, but you can use your fingers as well. Now I have to wait for 10 minutes before this dries and works its magic. So what I'm going to do in the meantime is spend some good quality me time. Me time for me means a good scented candle, some coffee, and window shopping online. So I've just washed my face and it feels so smooth. It does feel a little dry though, but I think it's just because of my skin type. Maybe if you do have dry skin like mine, throw in some extra honey because it is a moisturizing agent. Other than that, I think I'll have to use it a couple of times to actually see if it does control acne. If you're just talking about the ingredients, nothing much because you can find all of this in your kitchen. But it might cost you a relationship with your mother if she knows that you've been stealing from the kitchen. But other than that, it's pretty affordable. Try it out. Let us know if the face mask worked for you in the comments below. Also, let us know what face masks or hair packs you'd like us to try next. And stay safe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tweak India.